Assalamualaikum friend, hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the real vidmate app. By using vidmate app, you can download any kind of video format from any kind of web pages. It's time to play the intro. It's time to go to the mobile screen. Open Google Chrome and click to the search icon and search vidmate app free download. Now scroll down and search where is free download option. This is free download option. Click to free download. This kind of interface will come. Now click to start download. The download will be start. Click to OK. You can see that it was downloading. If you want to check this, you can click it. It will take few minutes. You can see that the download was finished. Now click to open it. Now click to setting and search unknown source. After finding unknown source on this icon and click to OK. It will go app manager. Here you can install it. Now click to next and now you can able to install it. Click to install this application. It will be installing. Then coding will start. You can able to. Thanks for watching, guys.